Good morning, parents and students, and welcome to our second week of school. I wanted to touch bases with you all just to let you know what to expect this week. I do know that there are some students that are working from home and what to expect from them. So this week, I'm focusing on making sure that the students have their all of the platforms downloaded to their device. So I ask that parents send the devices all this week, every day, because we will be working on the devices. I want to get them in familiar with using the devices at home. So on the days they're at home, they will know what to do without me being there to give them instructions. Also, this week we are doing our um, beginning of the year assessment in science, math, and ELA. And for those that are working from home, I will have to set up an appointment for you to come into the school to take those assessments. Right now, administration is working on the schedule, so I will actually have to get back with you to make the decision on what day of the week that will happen. Um, so please bring your device every day this week and from here on out because we will be utilizing the devices instead of paper. The only paper would be the assessments. So please have the students bring the devices every day. That is the way that they will be able to get their assignments completed. Once the cameras are up and running, I will actually be recording um, the lessons and actually posting them to Google Classroom. Google Classroom will be the place where I will be putting notifications. I posted on Google Classroom the virtual classroom. This video will be posted in the virtual classroom um, for you to be able to um, use under the message to know exactly what's going on for the week. This week, we're just going to be doing a couple of little fun activities. I'm going to put on Seesaw so that the students can get familiar with it. They will be able to see each other's assignments. Um, in the beginning, I'm going to have it to where they're able to see each other's assignments. As I go further into the school year, I'm going to block it because I want them to be able to do their work without copying or copying the work from someone else. So I want them to be able to focus and let me see what they retained from the classroom. That's pretty much what we're doing thus far. We're supposed to go um, into instruction as of next week, next Sunday, and that would be AB rotation. So Sunday would be Group A come starting out the week. If you have any questions, you can always email me. Please allow me up to 24 school hours to respond to you. Again, I thank you for your time. Thank you for your support, and you have a good day.